White bunny rabbit.
What the heck? That was scary.
It's a pot-bellied pig.
Dude, his nose is so weird. Touch it.
Did he just squeak?
Yeah, he's like, he grunts and squeaks and all kinds of noises.
What's that, Bella?
Mommy, trust the rabbit.
Touched a rabbit. Oh, come here, bunny.
Mommy, trust the rabbit.
He's like trying to eat my finger.
Oh, I can't touch it. It's pretty bunny, isn't it?
He's white.
White. Bella, you see the piggy?
Mommy,
sorry.
I want to touch him.
Okay, go
You
ahead.
guys love this very much. I'm scared.
You're scared.
Look.
What's that?
Oh, look, it's a turkey belly. Look, peacock.
Is it a peacock? Where? Oh, over here, Bella. Come here. Bella, come see the peacock. Bella, over here. Look, there's the peacock. Yeah.
Mommy, come here. Oh, Mommy, look.
What's that?
Big,
Oh my goodness.
huge.
He's huge. What is it? Is that a yak?
Yuck.
I don't know. Wow.
Wow.
Bella, come over here and look at the ducks.
Where's my fan?
Look over here. It's an alpaca, Bella. Oh no, it's a llama. Oh. Bella, look at this duck. He's talking. Look at this one.
I want to touch them.
Bella, look at the swans. Bella, can you say swan? Those are swans.
Look, get down. That's on my fans. Look at fans.
Wait, Bella,